In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit More Privacy Settings and scroll again to hit Permission Manager. Following that, select any of your device's features you wish to manage, tap on one of your apps, and apply one of those options by tapping on the best one and going back. But you can also tap on one of your apps and select See All Permissions at the bottom, then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!